might have some experience plugging your TV into external speakers or other audio devices to achieve superior sound. But what if you could connect wirelessly? Now you can with Wireless Sound Sync, available on new select model LG Smart TVs. Begin by pressing the Home button on the Magic Remote. Then click on the settings icon up here in the corner. Click on Sound, and then Sound Out. Out of the box, the setting defaults to the internal TV speaker, so you're going to switch to LG Sound Sync Wireless down here. Click on the circle and this device selection button will appear. Click on the button and the TV will begin searching for compatible devices nearby, such as the LG SoundPlate, like a phone looking to hook up with a Bluetooth speaker. Press the LG TV button on the remote control of select model LG SoundPlates to put the SoundPlate into pairing mode. It will show up on the TV indicated as either LG HTS or LG SoundPlate. Click on the circle next to the name. Wait for the Bluetooth connection to be established, and it will now appear under paired devices. Quick and easy, right? If at some point in the future you wish to remove the speaker from the list, click the trash can icon. But at least there won't be any wires to throw away.